All right. I want to welcome you back to Beyond AI Solution, where we're all about helping you level it up with today's latest tech. And today, we're putting it in the good use. Why? Because we're helping you crush it in your business. And we're helping you crush it in your life too. I'm Ron, your friendly neighbor, AI guru, and together, we're going to take you on a journey that leads you straight to success. Well, you're already rich, but this is going to help you out. So let's go. Now, today's tutorial is focused on those who just starting out. It's going to be quick and smooth, so I want you to hang on. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Bing. All right, Microsoft Bing. We're going to type in OpenAI.com. All right, hit enter. All right, we're going to click on. All right, it's going to bring us up on this page right here. This page, hey, you got time, check it out, man. This thing will blow your mind. There's so much stuff that done came out. We can't go through all that right now, but listen, go through this website, listen to it, check it out. Man. It's going to blow your mind. Well, anyway, we're going to go over here and we're going to try ChatGPT. All right, what it's going to do is this window is going to pop up, right? So we got to sign up, all right? So we're going to click on sign up. All right, so you're going to put an email in here, all right? I'm going to put this email. All right, and you're going to hit continue. Then you're going to put a password, all right? Then you hit continue. All right, then it's going to send you to verify it in your email. You already know, I already got my stuff, so it's already there, man. So I can just log in. So I'm gonna log in so you can see what it look like. I tell you, this thing is real quick. After you sign up all your stuff, then you're gonna sign in, right? Log in, you're gonna hit continue. Boom, this window is gonna pop up. All right, so you see the plus on mine. Yours is gonna look a little different. Of course, mine is a paid version. And the reason being is because when I'm out talking to the people and stuff, I needed to do its job now. The reason I'm saying this is because you're going to be like, why you got the paid version? Well, the free version, if you do some research, you'll see that November, when it first came out, I think it was like 4 or 5 days, 1 million people visited the website and they crashed it. So, you know, you got a lot of people trying to get on this website every day. So I got the plus. I pay I think it's like $20 a month or something like that. But yeah, this is it right here. I'm going to show you a prompt or two, show you how it works, and then we'll end this thing. Let's go back to Bing, okay? All right, we're going to go to in our free prompt. Y'all seen this in my other video I did. You know, put in their free prompts for ChatGPT. All right. Right there. Get out of the way, Garen. Okay. GPT. There you go. Let's run it. Hit enter. Boom. So we'll scroll down. No, you ain't even got to scroll down. You see this chat thing right here? Listen. Bing is off the chain, man. Watch this. Wow, look at this. Listen, Microsoft ain't paying me nothing, but hey, man, y'all need to check Bing out. I know that, hey, Google is good, but Bing is another thing. Well, anyway, let's go right here to one of these things. You can check out either one of them. I'm gonna go right here to the Reddit. Y'all see what we type in there. Free prompts for ChatGPT. All right. Let's go down a little bit. Get one of these prompts out of here. Get a prompt. Click it right here. ChatGPT. Here, see, all of these are prompts. These are prompts. Now, you can be a prompt engineer too now. Don't get it twisted. You just got to know how to work this stuff. But, man, what is prompt? I need a prompt. Get out of here first. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Oops. ChatGPT. Let's do this 100. This 100 prompts. Look, all this stuff is free, guys. Look at her. There you go. Prompt. Okay. Let me act as a shield. Let's grab the first one just to see how it works. You can see what I'm talking about. What I'm gonna do, right click, and I'm gonna hold it down and I'm gonna go over it. Boom. All right, see it's lit up. I'm gonna right click again. See copy. I'm gonna copy it. Now I'm gonna go over to ChatGPT and I'm gonna paste it in here. Paste. Bam. So this is what he's fixing to do right here. Write a recipe for an Italian 3-course meal I can cook for date nights. So listen, you don't have to put Italian. You understand what I'm saying? You can change this thing, whatever you want it to be. Okay. Well, anyway, let's run it. I'm gonna click it. Hit enter. Let's see what it do. Guys, are y'all watching what I'm watching? That's beautiful, isn't it? That's just one prompt. One for recipes. Guys, girls, y'all take and use this thing, man. If y'all don't understand anything, leave a comment below. Tell me, I will address it quickly. I'm not gonna play no games. We need to know how to utilize this stuff, right? All of y'all, we need to know how to use AI in our everyday life because that's where it's going. Watch what I tell you. That's where it's going. So, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Hey, and tell your friends what we're doing over here. Beyond AI Solutions, LLC. Check it out, man. We're going to get better. Y'all just hang in there with us. We're going to get better. Just hang in there. Hey, I hope y'all liked it. I hope y'all like this.